all time. Have so much fun.
Remember, Emily, no profanity.
Okay.
Only words I wanted to use.
That's worse than me.
Such a fun vocabulary.
The first time she rode Wonder Mountain, she didn't know what it did at the end. She taught a bunch of children the F-bomb.
Good job.
Water's not too bad.
That feels good.
We have a lot of weight in this tube. Remember the final drop really threw me.
It gets darker.
How was it?
Good.
Good.